Morning, all. I want to share with you what I'm doing this morning. So we have, as you may know, we are about to approach the end of week one on our latest project for a distance overseas investor. Now, the most important thing for this investor is going to be communication. Living overseas may feel a little bit vulnerable using a new contractor, may feel a little bit out of sorts, be feeling a little bit detracted or detached from the project, and wanting to have that as much engagement as what we can. It's a big project with a big spend, so we've got to communicate with them effectively. Now, you may have seen the site diary that we did yesterday. That site diary then gets pulled all together to form a weekly report, which we get back to the contractor. And you should be asking your project manager or not tradesman, your builder, the person that's running the job, for this information. So I'm just going to now, hopefully, share with you this screen here. So what you see here is our internal management system within our construction business. I will try and zoom in. I don't really know how to do it, but I will try. Can I do that on here? No, I can't. So we have, in fact, if I put that on full screen and take my face off, might be a bit better. Okay. So we have all of our folders. We're going to go down into projects. So we're already in the project folder for this particular project. We're going to go into reports, and that was last week's report, but the project didn't start, so that might just be information. But what I wanted to share is this report here. I should be able to zoom in on this. Yes, I can. Okay, so what we're going to do here. So the week commencing the date, which is going to be the first, which was when we started on the first day on site. So we'll be reporting. We're still on program, so this information at the top doesn't get filled in just yet. But as the project develops, these things would start to change. We'll be reporting whether we're behind or in front of program. Rectification works and completion of conversion project to convert former care home into 3 separate dwellings. That's the brief description of the works. Now, this is the important part. So this is what has happened this week. We've had damp specialists in, blah, blah, blah. So he's getting a snapshot of what we've been up to this week. Where's his money getting spent? What have you guys been doing this week? I can't see any production. So what you've been doing. So what we can do is then demonstrate here what we've been doing. And he's going to get that. The investor will have that warmer feeling of progress is happening, stuff's happening, whilst I can't see anything that's happening because I'm not here. I want to know what's going off. So this is what's going off. And then we come into the meat of this. This would become more apparent as the project develops. So delays and disruptions. We would fill in here what any of our issues are, design issues, RFIs, requests for information. So this might be something they've asked us to do at tender stage, and we start the project, we get into the nuts and bolts of it, and we find that either something can't be done, or we find a better way of doing something, or we ask for some further information that's not been made clear in the initial inquiry. It might be an extra, or it might be a saving. So you can see there, number 4, request to alter the new drawing to better facilitate floor space. First plot, second floor, bathroom and bedroom. We can add an additional bedroom and reduce the bathroom size to a more suitable size. Please see on-site alteration of drawing. So we would have attached a drawing to that, and we need that information back by the 7th. So he'll get this on Friday. The investor will get this report on Friday, and we're going to need an answer by Monday as to what they want. And their response will go in there, where it says client's response. Drawings, so we're just confirming. These are things that have gone by and have already happened. So the client has confirmed that already. And same for asbestos survey. And as you can see, it's a rake of information. I don't want to make this video too long. And that is it. So that progress report will develop as the project develops. Can I shut that now? Let me just check. Stop, share, remove. Okay. Yeah, so that report will develop as the project develops, and it gives you a really good updates. It's for updates, for payments, for progress, all them things. And then also at the end of the job, you're able to review the project in full. What happened? Where can we make improvements on the next project? And all that good stuff. We do a post-project review as well when we get to the end. And all these are all pulled together for the whole thing. Hope that's helped. Speak soon. Ciao.